Hey there viewers, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is the reading for the sign of Aries for love life situation. It's a particularly for love life situation, and I have already shuffled card and pulled cards out because of lack of time. So I will tell you what are your cards are, what are the cards are. Um, First card you have Five of Cups, Emperor, Judgment and the Justice. And underneath the deck you have Two of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Strength card, Ace of Wands, and Four of Wands. So, you people were juggling between two persons, or maybe your this is your partner's energy. Your partner was juggling between two peoples, or maybe it's a juggling between the financial issue and the finance and love life, work and love life. So maybe somehow there is a problem related to your finances, or maybe your partner's finances. uh, you people were concerning about the finances, and this was the issue in your love life. Now these financial issues are resolving, and your partner or you are becoming maybe if it's issues from your partner, if financial issues from your partner, and that's why they were not able to commit you or show you some emotions, then now they are financially strong, and they are ready to commit to you, and they are reigniting the passion with you, and they want stability with you in the relationship. And if it's a issue between two peoples, if your partner were juggling between two people, now uh, they have come in a point at a point where they are strongly made a decision, and it's about you. Your partner made a decision for you. If it's a two people situation, third party situation. So first card is a Five of Cup. You were disappointed about this situation. You were disappointing about your partner that they are in a third party, or maybe they are not committing you with because of the financial issue. You think this relationship is totally lost, and you think you and your partner are separated forever, but you are not seeing these two cups. You are seeing the loss. You are not seeing what is the possibility, if there is any possibilities for you and your partner to reconcile with together. uh, these possibilities shows that your partner will come to you, and they are now strong, and in the Emperor energy they can make decision. They are on authority regarding their love life. They are able to make a decision, and they have made a decision about you, because your relationship is reigniting and will resurrect from the ashes, resurrecting from the death. So this disappointment will over in the month of October. Your partner will come to you, or you will go to your partner. If it's your partner's energy that your partner is regretting or disappointed and lost in this relationship, then you will contact your partner or go to your partner, and try to resurrect this relationship, or maybe your partner come and try to resurrect your love life with them, and you will get a justice in this relationship. You will get this whatever you wanted in this relationship, what you have prayed for, you will get it, because your partner is coming towards you with new passion ignite and the stability. They will come to you with the solid commitment and offer, or if you are in a marriage life already, your partner will and you think your life is uh, your married life lost the passion and love, then your partner will take the charge, and you will get the love and ignition, new passion, new attraction in this relationship. And or maybe you people are moving house. It's a new house, also shifting from one house to another house. It's kind of situation. So you people are, if you are married, your love life is reigniting again, with your partner. If you are not talking to your partner, and you will talk your partner again, start talking again, or something beautiful happen to you in month of October regarding your love life. If you are married, and if you are in relationship, you can get um, you can hear from your partner, or you can get a proposal from your partner, or stability in your love life. So I shuffled cards for you, and I shuffle card for outcome. So I got these three cards. So you people are rushing toward, if your partner come to you with come to you to reconcile, or offer their cup to you again, don't rush. Just defend them. Just show them that if you are coming, okay, it's good, we will see what will happen. Don't rush to them. Don't see tell them they, I was waiting for you, I was crying, this and that. Don't tell this to them. Just, if you will rush, your partner will defend them again, defend their emotions again, and they will not open up to you. Don't rush. Just let things happen how they are happening in the month of October regarding your love life. Or your partner is your outcome is like that, your partner is stable in finances, and they are self-sufficient and independent from, and they can now have you in their life. If it's a financial issue, now they are defending their love life, and they are rushing towards you. It can be the situation, like this. So hopefully it resonates you, Aries. If so, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.